Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Jigglypuff from Pokemon Easy Chibi. So let's get started. To draw cute Jigglypuff, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. Nice and big. And then we're going to come right across and draw another circle. So let's say about right here. And I'll just come in here and draw another circle right here for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. And now I'll come above each eye and just draw a soft curve above each eye. And then in between the eyes, I'm going to draw her mouth. So right here, I'll just draw a curve, comes down, right in the center. And then I'm going to connect it with kind of this sharp U, or I guess a rounded off V, however you like to look at it. And then let's come back up here and draw a curve for the tongue. And I'll just come in here and shade this part in. Now that we have the eyes and mouth in, let's go ahead and draw the tuft of hair on the top. So I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to come to where my mouth is, come straight up, say about right here, nice and high. And I'll just give myself a point right here. And I'll start with my big curve all the way around, and I'm aiming to come back down here. So nice big curve, bring it down towards the mouth, and then we're going to curl up. So that's a big curve that you want to draw. Then kind of like where this area is, skip a little space, and we're going to draw a curve, a little wobble and come in. There, so we have that in now. Then we're going to say about right here, because you just remember we have this big circle we need to draw. So in this area right here, I'm going to start with ear. Bring out a curve, round off the tip, and down. So same thing here. Just give myself a little bit of space, and then draw same thing. So come out. I'm just going to give myself a point and come right back down, just like the other side. Okay, so there, we have the 2 points in for the ear. And then let's come in here. I'm just going to draw the inside of each ear for some details and connect it. And same thing here. And connect it. Now that we have that in, we can finally go ahead and just continue this big curve. All around to finish off Jigglypuff's body. So I just want to draw this big circle, oval circle, however you want to make it. Mine's kind of an oval, right? Kind of fat. Okay, so big curve in. Then from there, we just come right in this area and pop out some feet. Nice and simple. And same thing here. And bring it right back in. And then for some details right here, let's draw her holding a mic, right? So I'm going to come right here, kind of where the eye is, and just bring in a curve. And then we're going to tuck in this mic. So come right here, come through, and just kind of like drawing a cone almost. We're going to continue there. And I'll just shade this in so you can see it better. And then we're just going to make sure you're just still at the same angle. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. That's my center, and then bring it back down. For the mic. And then let's see here. For the other hand, let's just have it come about right here. and draw a curve. So there, that's pretty much it for this Jigglypuff from Pokemon Chibi and hopefully easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.